Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing, simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, good morning. So I don't know what we are up to today. Got a few running around to go do. Sorry for that noise in the background. They're fixing something outside. Not quite sure yet what they are doing. But yeah, I've been up since what, 6 o'clock this morning on a weekend. It's crazy. I'm usually never up. Well, I'm usually up by like 8 o'clock, but not up this early. So it is crazy. Yeah, this one don't. As you can see, if you all see it in a lot of my vlogs, he don't seem to like clothes because he's ever naked. He's worse than his mother. But we hubby's just upstairs currently shaving. We're getting ready to leave out because we got some errands to run, and I'm going to go get my hair done today. I am so excited. I'm actually doing a silk press, so I'm getting my natural hair done. I just feel like spring is here and I need to get it treated and done, so that is what we're up to. And this is the water. You make me some tea. How much water is in the pot? Is there enough? Huh? No. Maybe no. Okay, I want some tea. I'm gonna make Mario some tea as well. So yeah, let me guys prompt you guys up there. If you ever want some.
Mommy, I found a book thing on someone.
Huh?
I found a book thing, but then I just came up. I think like somebody searched it down.
So, oh, I don't know what happened. Went so dark. Oh, there it goes. There it came in. The focus went out. That's why it went so dark, guys. Sorry about that. I was wondering what happened. So I'm just about to go make hubby some tea because we gotta get going.
Wait, you guys are leaving?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then you guys are coming back?
Yeah.
Wait, what time does the internet come back again?
About 11. Yeah, so sorry again for the noise, guys. It's very loud. Do you come into the hairdresser with me?
I think so.
No problem about it. Wrong cup. So I'm excited to go get my hair done. I haven't got my hair straightened since I was in Jamaica. So this is the second time I'm having my hair straightened since 2014 when I started transitioning to natural hair. But within that time I have cut my hair 4 times. I've cut it 4 times, but I'm trying not to cut it anymore. Trying not to cut it anymore at all. So I will get back to you guys in a bit. It's a bit noisy, so I will talk to you guys pretty much when we're on our way out of here. Alright? Yeah guys, so we actually left. I'm here having my tea because I didn't get to drink my tea. Look at this one, well dressed for the summer weather. Come outside and call your fat. If I'm still in sweater, long sleeve shirt and winter coat, and I got my toucan, but then again, that's because I get my hair done. It's cold, and this one is in full out short trousers here. Ready for? He's so eager for the warm weather to come and can't wait to come out of the buggy clothes or make him feel like he's a Pillsbury doughboy. This one, I had one of those. I had one of those bad boys. Oh my goodness. I hope we're not late for our appointment, babes.
What is that, go straight?
Yeah, I guess it's gonna take you down Harmony. Harmony. Oh gosh. Ah! I gotta get something for this camera.
Tina yan.
Eh?
What? Tina?
My hand. It holds it good. It holds it good enough.
Yeah. This one as well.
Uh-huh.
The lane crosses, wouldn't get a scorpion.
You know, people back home with that glad feet because the condition is comparing to the taxi them that are back home. People that buy them now run taxi with them. You don't think so?
That's 100,000 Jamaican.
Oh gosh.
Not 100,000 Jamaican. And
So,
even they have
definitely.
toes, no, they can't buy it down.
See all this house? They probably brought this person's house here because see all this is going to be property.
Yeah, they put it down.
Yeah, they're gonna pull it down, so they bought them out. So it kind of look like we're just driving a whole acres of bush, like we don't live nowhere. You just see pure dry up land, right? You don't even see no houses. But I think that we live in a farm area, but it's all new. Development is about to be built up this area. That's why you guys are only seeing greenery. Let me show you guys. Don't stop at all. Hey guys, so I am actually on my way to go get my hair done. As you can see, I started losing out my actual hair underneath this hair. Oh, the V-Rail? Yeah, that goes to Montreal. I think that goes to Quebec as well. I'm not sure where else it goes.
Mommy, you know what the Quebec
Right now we have
Carnival is?
about 140, 150.
No, I don't know what a Quebec Carnival is.
I
I've
want to
never
go
been
there
there.
because you get to go snow tubing. There it's like a slide and then
You speak French?
huh?
Because in Quebec, in Quebec, their initial language is French. Then
Yeah.
they speak
You're gonna
English.
speak le français the whole time.
So, oh, never been there. What do you say, love?
80 degrees are down to there.
It's
It
right here.
Oh, there we go. So you can see all of us. So yeah, I'm just on my way right now to the hairdresser. We are running late, and if you're not really hearing, that's because hubby has the windows open. So I'm going to go get my hair nice washed and treat and done. Oh, I'm excited. Sometimes you need a break from the wigs and the weaves and the extension and all that. Well, say it will almost be like you feeling naked again, just to feel naked, undressed. That's pretty much sums it up.
The train are windy.
In 3 kilometers, use the right lane to take exit 401 for Regional Road 31.
So I'll get back to you when you guys come back.
Let me see what I'm pay for this.
Guys, you just miss all that dramatic thing. You see this man over here trying to choke me out over potato pudding, huh? So I have my hair done, guys.
Mine, Mario.
I love it. I love it. What do you guys think?
It's pretty.
Oh, and the snap is on, y'all. No, I gotta showcase that hair. That hair. I got some of it trimmed, but I love it. You like it, babe?
You think
You
it's
like
here,
it?
man?
Huh? What?
Whole day.
All day and all day.
It's about like 2
It's
hours.
happy hour.
Mario.
It's happy hour. So what do you guys think? So yeah, so this is the second time I've gotten my
Mommy,
hair,
put
my
this
natural
knife
hair
on me.
straightened. And I just
No, eat out here. Okay, up and down.
look what he told me not to eat off, guys. Look. Give me the empty box. You see how I'm wicked? Yeah? I'm so stabby with a fork.
One.
You guys are just disgusting.
Yeah. No.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My head hurts.
You take my meat in peace.
But yes, big up to Secrets.
Hot secrets.
Hmm? Yes, big up to Hot Secrets. Thank you so much. I love my hair. And you guys can go and follow her on her social medias, and she also has a YouTube channel. She's revamping it, so stay tuned for that. I will be putting her link in the description below. So if you are in Toronto or in Pickering Ajax, Whitby area. You can wherever. You can shout out to her. You're going over the rim. I'm crazy. This one was in the car sleeping, like he was in there, the hair salon, and all of a sudden he just goes missing. I was like, where? What? But you could have laid down, baby. It's one of those chairs that thing.
When take you over. I'm mad you broke off, man.
But you and Faith really drop asleep in there?
I went to my bed in the morning. Okay?
I would tell you if I got bed, man.
My mind. I listen to what my mind says.
Well, sometimes you don't really
if
listen
my
to
mind
your
says don't clean, me not clean.
Yeah, so yeah, and I got this cut. I love it, guys. Ooh. Hey guys, good morning. It is a bright and Sunday morning. We are actually heading out to go do some running around as usual. Oh, look at that her. My daughter's like, oh mommy, you look so young. Because I haven't actually her out. Oh, that's nice. I love that. I look like I'm 19, even though with fake hair I still get ID'd if I go to the liquor store or any store to go buy certain things. So I hope you guys are having a blessed morning. Where's Mario?
He's gone downstairs.
He's already gone. Okay, are you ready?
I need my vitamin. You know that I've been taking them though.
So guys, I'm just getting ready to head out. I'm getting ready to head out. I need to try and get a bigger memory stuff for this. I keep forgetting every time I go out. Where's my runners? I'm not bringing my coat. Yeah, you gotta get some outdoor running shoes. Okay, well, let's go if you're going. So my internet is still down in the blooming house and I need my internet. So currently I have no internet and I haven't been able to get any schoolwork done, but I guess I'm gonna be up for the next week trying to hustle and get my assignments done. Mario get everything he needs?
I think so. What shoe should I wear?
Just put on your runners.
Which runners?
The ones that we wore yesterday, or go get your guest shoes. Runners, get one of those. We're gonna have to just get you something for school for now. And let's go. So yeah, we're heading out. Hubby's waiting. And hurry up, Mario's waiting. Oh, we gotta clean out this garage from packing. We still have a whole heap of stuff. Look.
You need to go through
I already know what's going away. That needs to go. I know what's going away. What, did you want to do a dump run? There's a dump open on Sunday. Yeah, see all those over there? Those are all garbage there. That from there, from where the Christmas stuffs are. This, ow! From here, this to down here, that's all garbage. So, then you check in here. If it's not, then it might be in Alyssa's car because it should have been in one of these things. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. So yeah, guys, look at my garage. My garage is a mess house right now. We need to clean it up because, and then some of the bikes that we gotta get rid of as well. So we need to get that done. Fate's coming, babes. It's not in these ones. No, it's not in here. All these cables, all these wires. I wonder if it, I know I put his boots somewhere. Oh. So, yes. Is Memphis coming?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Tell them that we're going to the dollar store. That's the same way I get those.
Well,
Wait,
so,
wait, which dollar store are you going to?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go ask Memphis if you want something.
Wow, what?
You know.
No, you know what? You want something? He would come. Make him stay there. Okay, let me just get the stuff in. So I will be back. I'll be back, guys. Hey baby, are you saying good morning to everybody? Oh, somebody is calling me. Baby, I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. Why didn't you just go that way?
That way it's easier to get out. Right there. Yeah.
Insane.
So why didn't you go down there yet? Guys, so we are back home. About to, well, I guess the kids and Mario, they're probably going bike riding. Because I guess they want to embrace the warm weather. Well, it's not that warm outside, but it's alright. It's alright. So, I'm just going to go make myself some burgers, some lunch. We haven't had lunch yet. Oh, ow! Mario! They beat me up for. So, I got the oven going on. I'm just gonna make, let me adjust this a little bit. There we go, guys. So I'm just gonna make something to eat. I'm hungry. Oh guys, I just woke up from a nap. Oh, it is tiring. I'm just gonna start dinner now, and this one here is just eating like crazy as usual. Yeah, eat all the cake pops. So Faith made all these.
What?
So
Where you get it from?
and these two are over there fighting over cake pops.
Which part of that?
Like they're just so disgusting. Mr. Williams is upstairs taking a nap himself. I've actually gone back to bed. But I'm about to cook right now.
I got a cake.
That's what I'm about to do.
It look nice.
All weekend we've had, our internet has been down because they've been doing some thing here. Yes, love? Pardon? Where's your drone? It's in the closet down here.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna take it outside? You're gonna take it in the soccer field over there?
Yeah.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. When days bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.